In this tutorial, we will show you how to assemble this attractive chair. We will have 3 different types of screws, 2 small, 1 medium, and for large. We will need the legs of the chairs, 1 medium screw. We place the legs of the chair so that it fits as we see in the image. After this, we take the screw, and with the help of the Allen wrench, we tighten it. For this step, we will need a sit pad, the back of the chair, 2 small screws. In this second step, we will assemble the back of the chair. For this, we will take the sit pad and we will introduce it as shown in the image. And what we have to achieve is that both the hole of the backrest fits into the holes of the sit pad. Once it looks like in the video, we introduce a screw. And after this, we tighten with the help of the Allen key. And for the last step, we will need the legs of the chair assembled and the upper part joined for large screws. Once the 2 parts have been assembled separately, it is time to join them. For this, in the bottom of the backrest, we will see some holes. They have to match the 4 holes that are in the legs, as shown in the image. Once introduced the screws, we will begin to tighten them with the help of the Allen wrench, and once this is done, we will have our chair finished. Final result.